Spanbilt, luckily, is a family-owned company, and we've been manufacturing in Brisbane for around 40 years.
Yeah, so the business started off actually making backyard furnaces. As time progressed, they saw an opportunity to do something a little bit different in the market, come up with this idea to create sheds for Australian backyards.
We're two operations under one roof. We have an operation line that produces kit set garden sheds, which is sold through hardware stores and direct to customers. We have another production line that produces a full range of garages. Those are fully customised buildings and can be configured any way that the customer requires them.
Yeah, look, we're part of a very fast-moving industry. The reality is residential change, urbanisation is happening at a rapid rate, and that's changing the demand of customers. 20 years ago it was all about the backyard. These days a lot of people live in apartments and still have needs.
One of our real success stories in recent times has been the launch of our Smart Locker range. Now the Smart Locker range is a compact, very secure storage solution with a roller door. When open, gives you unrestricted access to the storage space available in this shed.
So every Spanbilt product is manufactured here in Crestmead in Brisbane under the one roof.
We lead the industry in terms of our order turnaround. Our garden sheds, we receive an order from a customer, manufacture next day and dispatch the day after that.
One of the important things with the people that work in this company is our pride in the quality of the product and the Australian manufactured product.
The benefits of having our Australian or even better locally made Brisbane manufactured equipment means that we can continue to run on a pretty much daily ordered basis. Any breakdown repair work should be carried out within a 24-hour period.
The design team have certain processes they put in place to review products, review things similar to our instruction manuals. If they're not understandable by the customers, take on board what those customers will say, make them user-friendly.
Spanbilt's part of a genuine family-owned business, and I think part of our culture therefore is family.
A very close-knit company, very family-orientated.
Our culture is very much focused around listening to customer feedback and constantly improving.
People here, we treat them like family, they feel like part of the family.
The culture here is really good. Everyone's quite happy to work with each other.
And I think that gives us a point of difference in the market as opposed to many of the other manufacturers in the space.